Okay, so I'm up here on the roof. I'm gonna walk around and do a quick video for you. Talk about a couple of things. Um, roof looks good for the most part. Just one or two minor things. We got a couple of damaged shingles. So this here you see, that's from where they put their pump jack stabilizer arms when they're doing the siding. And you see they do caulk the holes. That's just a piece of caulk that sort of oozed out of the hole. But one of the other issues that you have, obviously you end up putting a nail through the shingle, but it can sometimes rip the shingle here. So you see this shingle has ripped and is damaged, so that would be in need of replacement. And here's another two holes, and then here's another ripped shingle. So there was that. And so right now I'm on the back of the roof and on the side, so you're gonna see that there's actually one here. It's probably not gonna see it on the video here, but there's a spot there and there, and then same thing on the other side here and down a little further. So you're also going to see the same thing here and here, and then you have the same thing on this side here, and then down here a little further, and then another spot down there further. So let's just walk around and take a look at the rest of the roof. I had mentioned that one of these vents was crooked. Looks like it's this one. And yeah, I mean, so as long as this is sealed up well down here, like it's not so crooked that it's putting weird pressure on this seal, then it's mostly a cosmetic thing. And I'm not even sure what this is. I think this one is for the radon. So if you ever have need a radon fan installed, when they go up in the attic, that's something they can straighten out. But yeah, it's like I say, seal looks good, so I'm okay with that. That's just a piece of siding that was cut. It's nothing. And then a little concerned about the flashing here. It's just that I don't know, it just looks like somebody it was sticking out farther than they wanted it to. When they were installing this piece of fascia, they just sort of smashed it with a bar. So I would be concerned that, it's possibly, damaged that flashing there. So I don't know that I would tear this all apart to redo that, but maybe some preventative caulking in that area might be in order. So so I'll just take a walk around the rest of the roof. That was pretty much it. Yeah, I'll show you. Up here, I might as well show you the other holes. So here, and then right there. Okay, so something to mention, here's a damaged shingle. When it's damaged so close to the edge like that, not really too worried about it. Certainly could replace it as a preventative measure, but not really too big of a deal. And let's see. Oh yeah, this gutter here, which I didn't see on the way up, is loose. Just have to get it, screw that back in there. Something you'll see in the report, but not something the builder does, but something that I always recommend doing is downspout extensions, where you would actually add an actual downspout, discharge it directly into the gutter below instead of on the roof. And same thing with this one over here, just because all that rainwater running on the roof can prematurely wear the shingles out in that area. There's another spot over there as well. This is actually the neighbor's gutter, but comes down on your roof. And wait till it rains and you watch how much rain comes down this valley and goes and runs right here. So probably a lot of it will miss that gutter. So maybe here it isn't a place that would need it, but something that I do recommend. And yeah, so I think that is gonna be it for this one.